subscribe button. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to leave a comment. Kicking it with Keith made this shit, boy.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the garage. Just like the title says, we're going to be disassembling this D16Z6 head. This is the one that I got from the junkyard, and it does have bad valves on this side, I believe. I went ahead and I marked them. Let me see. Yeah, so I tested them, and this valve right here did not want to close at all. So this is a bad valve right here. So the plan is to send this to the machine shop and actually get bigger valves in there. So bigger valves means more airflow. So that's the plan. We're also going to be removing this head. This is a non-VTEC head. It's a D16A. I know that it does have the solenoid right here for VTEC, but this is a non-VTEC head. The internals of it are not VTEC, even though it does have the solenoid and the port and everything on that side. It kind of throws you off, but if you were to check the cam and check everything, there is no VTEC. That head over there is going to be a huge improvement in the flow of how this engine breathes. So I already went ahead and removed the intake manifold to save some time. So let's just go ahead and start removing this head. here it is, you guys. The head's completely off. And you can see the Vitara pistons. You can see the BMS block guard. Everything still looks great. You can see the carbon buildup. And of course, the old setup, the non-VTEC head. There's nothing wrong with this head. We're just trying to squeeze a little bit more power out of the setup. That's the only reason why we're swapping this out. If anybody's interested in a head, I guess I have one laying here. Now let's go ahead and start disassembling this VTEC head. Get it ready for the machine shop. So this is going to pretty much be it. We got the head off, and I went ahead and I put this, everything, as I took it off, I try to keep everything in order. As you guys can see, I used this cardboard, and this is my intake side, this is my exhaust side, and I put like a little square with the cam gear so I know how I started here. That way I know how I removed it over here in the opposite side. I did spin this around, so this is actually backwards. I would have to turn it around, and then it would be in the correct order. I also went ahead and removed the head, and you guys can see that this is definitely an update on the pistons. We have not opened this ever since I put this engine together. It's been what, like about a year and a half, 2 years, I don't know, something like that. And you guys can see that the pistons are very nice. There's a little bit of carbon on that one. This one has the most carbon on it. But everything looks really good, really clean. And this build has it has held so far under 10 pounds. It's been good. So you know that we're gonna probably turn it up to 20, 30 pounds. We don't know yet. So that's the reason why we're swapping the head. And guys, on my next video, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. Make sure you guys are subscribing if you're not subscribed to the channel. And let's go ahead and continue this build. In the next video, we'll probably see some new parts that are going to be in the mail. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Stay safe. Catch you guys later.
Oh, that's fine. That go fine right there. Who that right there? That little city right there. That go right there. What? That bar boss. Bar boss. This is bar boss life. Pull up in the Civic, and you know that thing is stick shift. This is bar boss life. They look like it's dripping, cause that rattle can't hit different. This is bar boss life. Pull up in the Civic, and you know that thing is stick shift. This is bar boss life. They look like it's dripping, cause that rattle can't hit different. This bar boss life, y'all. Yeah. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Yeah. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to leave a comment. Kicking it with Keith made this shit, boy.